friends, I am going to tell you the story of Pygmalion by George Bernard Shaw. She is the statue named Galatea, made by Pygmalion. Important play of George Bernard Shaw. It discusses the problem of education, uh, racial distinction, illiteracy in England. It is raining heavily. The scene is of a street of London in England. There are three persons in the street: Mrs. Insford Hill, her daughter Clara Insford Hill, and her son Freddie Insford Hill. Professor Higgins, Elijah Doolittle, Insford, Clara. Freddie Insford Hill goes to take a rickshaw to return home because it is raining cats and dogs. When he goes to search a rickshaw, he dashes against a girl. The girl sells flower. She is Elijah Doolittle. There is little discussion between Elijah Doolittle and Freddie Insford Hill. Then the rickshaw comes and all the three persons, Mrs. Insford Hill, Clara Insford Hill, and Freddie Insford Hill, return home. Before they return, Professor Higgins comes to Elijah Doolittle, the flower girl. He notes down her cockney sound in his diary. He is a professor of phonetics, science of sounds, pronunciation. People think that he is a police inspector and he is writing something secretly. Elijah Doolittle becomes curious and she wants to know what the gentleman is noting down in his diary. Later, Colonel Pickering comes. He is very much attracted to see Elijah Doolittle. Colonel Pickering tells Higgins that Higgins is doing his job there, and Colonel Pickering is an expert of Indian dialect. So, Colonel Pickering asked Professor Higgins that if he transforms Elijah Doolittle into an educated girl, he will pay him all the fees. Higgins accepts his request. Higgins takes Elijah Doolittle his home. He educates there phonetics. Then a party is organized. In the party, Mrs. Insford Hill, Clara Insford Hill, and Freddie Insford Hill arrive. It is decided that if Elijah Doolittle is recognized there, she will fail in the test, and if she is not recognized, she will pass the test. But fortunately, nobody recognizes Elijah Doolittle. She passed the test, and she is thought to be a refined girl, educated girl. Later, another party of ambassadors take place. Elijah Doolittle is sent there to pass the test. Elijah Doolittle passage of retired ambassadors meeting also as a duchess. Now she comes home of Professor Higgins. She begins to love Professor Higgins, but Higgins tells her that his job is over and now she can go. But Elijah Doolittle is not ready to go home and sell flowers again. She says that he has refined her, he has transformed her, so he will not go from here and he will love him, marry him. But Higgins is a confirmed bachelor. He is not meant for a woman. So he tells Elijah that he will arrange her marriage with a young, suitable boy. But she refuses. Mrs. Insford, Clara, and Freddie. There is a hot discussion between Higgins and Elijah Doolittle. Out of anger, Elijah Doolittle throws Higgins' sandals at him. After some time, Elijah Doolittle flees away from Higgins' home and she goes to Mrs. Insford Hill's house. She loves Freddie Insford Hill. Later, she marries him and she lives there happily. Now, let me tell about the title of this play. The title is Pygmalion. Pygmalion is no character in the play. However, Pygmalion is a Greek maker of a statue. Once he makes a beautiful statue named Galatea. The statue is so beautiful that the architect falls in love with that statue. The god of love turns the statue into a beautiful lady. Then Pygmalion marries Galatea. But in the play, Professor Higgins stands for Pygmalion and Elijah Doolittle stands for Galatea. In the play, Higgins and Elijah Doolittle do not marry, but in the Greek mythology, Pygmalion marries Galatea. So the title Pygmalion is relevant. Elijah Doolittle passes as a duchess in a party and apt. Thanks a lot.